Your Windows PC is probably collecting tons of junk files in the background right now. Temporary files, cached data, old recycle bin items, and other leftover clutter that slowly eats up your storage space. But the good news is, Windows 11 and Windows 10 already include a built-in tool that can clean all of this automatically for you. It's called Storage Sense. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on System, then select Storage. Here, Windows will show you a breakdown of what's taking up space on your computer. You might even notice temporary files using more storage than expected. Now scroll down until you find Storage Sense and click on it. First, make sure the main toggle at the top is turned on. This is the feature that allows Windows to automatically remove unnecessary files. Next, look for the option called Run Storage Sense. You can choose when Windows should clean your PC automatically. If you use your computer a lot, selecting every week is usually the best option. For lighter users, every month works perfectly fine too. Now, scroll a little lower to the recycle bin setting. You can tell Windows to automatically delete files from your recycle bin after 14 or 30 days. Just be careful with the Downloads folder option. If you set it too aggressively, Windows could remove files you still need. Most people should leave this on Never or choose something safer like 60 days. Finally, scroll down and click Run Storage Sense Now to start an instant cleanup. From now on, Windows will automatically help keep your storage cleaner without you needing to constantly do it manually. Thanks for watching.